Hi Lil Helper family, Mohammed here. Just to give you guys a scale of the things that we bring in to kind of distribute to our customers. This is a tea that you all like. There's a jasmine tea, there's a whole wall of jasmine tea behind, and then there's a green tea over in front of it. I don't know how many boxes there are. I cleared out the entire aisle. People hate me at the grocery store I go to. Here's the guava candy that you all love. 20-30 boxes. I just clear out the whole aisle. This is Play-Doh. This is the chocolates that you get in each and every order that we send in. Sometimes I really think that people just order the diapers because of the chocolates. The candles, and we have books, and this is not actually everything. We get tons more stuff. Each and every tea over here, I feel is like a 10-minute pocket of time that we are giving to our customers. So when you get that, you sit down, enjoy a cup of tea, and hopefully know what amazing work you're doing just by choosing cloth diapers and even doing business with a company like Lil Helper that has no business being here. But it's all here because of you guys. So thank you very much for allowing us to do this, allowing us to serve customers like you.
Woohoo!
Happy holidays, enjoy yourself, take a break, and we'll see you again. Thanks, bye-bye.
Hi guys, I'm Sophia, Mohammed's wife, and I was actually just standing in the background while Mohammed was filming this video, and I was asking Mohammed to also add in the point about how mad I get. When we go out shopping, and God forbid if these Brooksides are on sale in Costco, oh my God. Okay, so that means he's gonna get another cart, he's gonna pile on boxes and boxes and boxes of those chocolates, and then we have to stand in. And then we have to stand in line and endure the looks that we get from everybody. Like, what are these guys doing?
No, but I mostly tell people that we are doing it for customers.
Okay, but it is also an inconvenience to the wife, okay? Quite typical to see Mohammed come in with the trunk filled with some kind of goodies or the other, and then we go out shopping and I'm like, oh my God, we don't have space. Why? Mohammed, didn't you clear that out? Oh no, I forgot. And I have to put it down in the warehouse. Okay, so that's the story behind all of these things that Mohammed gets, and happy holidays to everybody. And a little wife rant from here. Okay, I'm going, bye.